Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the type of the units in the booking.com application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will find your profile. Press on it, and here in this page you should just scroll down a little bit, and in the settings and legal section you should just press on the settings option, and here you should press on the third option, which is units. And you can see that there are two types of units. You can use the imperial or the metric system. Now by default it is set to the metric one. You can see it's kilometer and meter. If you want to change to the imperial, which is miles and feet, you can just press on it and you can see that it was changed just like that. So pretty much this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.